If you're ready to expand your business globally with Transcy in just a few minutes, then make sure to watch this video till the end. Transcy will help you to localize your store with content translation and currency conversion, which provides your customers with seamless native shopping experience to boost your sales in every market you target. Hi, my name is Amy from eCommerce, and welcome to our 6th video series on how to use Transcy, where I'll explain everything you need to know about Transcy and how to use each feature.
If you want to manage your language in your store, firstly make sure you have completed all steps in setting up your target languages. Please note that Manage Translation is only available for advanced language. Step 1. Go to Translation in the menu bar. Select the language you want to translate and you will see 2 tabs. Auto-sync, including all resources pages that are synced automatically from Shopify. Manual sync, including the rest of the resources pages, which are not synced automatically. If you have any new updates on those resources, you will need to click Sync from Shopify now or activate Daily Sync. Step 2. Based on the status, you can see which content has been updated, which one is not, which one translating, and which one needs to be updated. Here are the meanings of the statuses. You can pause the video to read them. You can do a single translation or bulk translation. For a single translation, click the Translate button on each resource you want to translate. For a bulk translation, select multiple resources at once, click Actions and Bulk Translate. You can do the same thing to delete the translation. In case your store is already translated automatically, but you still want to change or remove the translation, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Step 3. To edit the translation content, click on the resource you want to edit. Here you can sort by status untranslated to find out any products or pages that do not have a translation yet. Then click Edit. You will see editable content. After finishing the edits, click Save. Step 4. You can also find needed content by default content or translated content. For example, I want to find those keywords. They are my translated content. In this section, choose Find Translated Content and enter the keywords. The needed content will appear. Then, what you have to do is edit the content and click Save. You can do the same thing with default content. Step 5. Similarly, you can find translated words on a specific page or product and then replace them with the new words. In this box, enter the translated word you want to edit. Click Find and Replace. Enter the word you want to replace in the Replace Translated Content box. Click Replace or Replace All.
That's it from me today. Let me know if you have any further questions in the comment section below. We post a new video every single week, and if you want to learn more about e-commerce, please make sure to subscribe to get notified when we post a new video, and I'll see you in the next one.